guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwayemisi, as you already know, and yes, some people call me Shante. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're very much welcome, but do not leave this channel until you're subscribed. Hit that subscribe button below the screen and you are part of this family that has been growing lately. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I love you guys so much. I do not take you guys for granted. So I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. I'm going to be creating like this look that I have right here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned one or two things. As usual, I'll see you when I'm all glammed up and we'll chat a little more. They try to best you out. So I've gone ahead to do one eye off camera. I've gone ahead to fix my brows and I'm just going to be doing the other eye on camera now. So I thought I'll just do a talk through for doing the eye and then the rest will be voice over. So I'm going to start off first of all by priming my eyelids with the NYX Jombo pencil in milk. I'm just going to be spreading this all over my eyelid and then I'll take the blending brush and just blend out the edges and the primer. I'm going to ensure that the edges are well blended out so that there are no harsh lines. Then for this look, I'm going to be playing around with the Ewaronke Twinkle and Glits palette, and I'm going to be starting off by using this color first of all to transition. I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush and go into that color. Then I'll put this all over my transition space. Next, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and this color right here. I'm just going to put this right in my crease just to deepen up the transition space some more. Then I'll go back to the first blending brush I used and just blend out. Then I'll also take this color right here, which is like the deepest color in this palette, and I'm going to use the same smaller fluffy brush to pack that in my crease just to deepen it a little bit more. And every time I do that, I'm going to go into the first brush I used and just blend out the edges. Next up, I'm going to be cutting my crease with the NYX Jombo pencil in milk. Now to pack some color on my lid space, I'm going to be going first of all with this color right here. It's a yellow one right here, and I'm going to place that in the areas that I have primed. I'm going to stop halfway and then I'll take into the next color just below the yellow that I used, which is like a shimmery orangey color. It's just a very light orange color, just to like have like a gradient effect. Next, I'm going to go into this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be taking the black inside that, which is right here. I'm just going to be popping that in the outer corner very lightly. This palette is very pigmented, so you want to be careful with that. And I'm also going to try to blend that into the lid color that I have applied. And I'm going to take the first blending brush that I used and just use that to blend out the edges of this black. And then I'll go in with the black again and just keep doing that, placing some color. I'll blend till I am satisfied. Now that I think I'm fine with that, I'm going to go on and line my eyes with some random gel eyeliner. Be doing this, I'm going to be stopping right where the black starts. And just at the point where I stop the eyeliner, I'm going to take some of the black eyeshadow that I used and I'm going to use that to set the eyeliner at that point. Then I'll take the brush that I was using to apply the black and just blend it out some more. Yes, something like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes and I'm going to be using the Denique lashes in the style Opal. It looks like this. So now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and move to my face. So I'm just going to rush over my face. I'm not going to be talking while doing this because I feel that you guys already know the drill and I'm always talking in all my videos and they always end up being too long. So I'm going to try and make this as short as possible.
Spread the money, for my lady. Spread the money, for my baby. Baby girl, you my music. Without you, I'm so sick. but I guess you don't know how it feels to be in love. So I start to puff like Puffy T. Since you don't wanna come with me I no one committing. At the same time don't wanna cause a sin, but yeah, you go there for me. When I walk Gary no Ferrari, yeah, you go there for me. Now I get money, no more worries, yeah, you go there for me. When I walk Gary no Ferrari, yeah, you go there for me. Yeah, you go there for me. Yeah, you go be a desuwa, I go be your banky. If they try to best you out, oh my J, that's it, yeah. Spread the money, yeah, for my lady. With the money, yeah, for my baby, yeah. You go be a desuwa, I go be your banky. If they try to best you out, oh my J, that's it, yeah. Spread the money, yeah, for my lady. Spread the money, yeah, for my baby, yeah. See, I'm not lying, my money piling, my louded jaw, no be siren. You dey bust my brain, you dey cause my grain. If you leave me now, what is my gain? Other girls for my eyes, they be like stain, but you sweet for my eyes like a plantain. See, I need you so I feel sustain. I'm catching cold, Olu maintain. See, tell me waiting I dey go do for Shokoto, when waiting I dey find day for Shokoto. So I'm knocking like Coco. If you leave me, I'm Moti Jogodo. Hey, baby girl, Moti Jogodo. If you leave me, I'm Moti Jogodo. Hey, baby girl, Moti Jogodo. If you leave me, I'm Moti Jogodo. You go be a desuwa, I go be your banky. If they try to best you out, oh my J,
so very quickly, I'm going to go back to my under eyes, and I'm going to use my Mabrook pencil in black to just line my waterline. Then I'll go back into this color, the deepest color that I use for my crease in the Ewaronke palette. I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush, just tap onto that, and I'll use that to smoke out my the black on my waterline. Then I'm going to go into my Zara Luminizing Mascara and just apply that on my bottom lashes. So before I dust off the excess powder and finish up my face, I'm going to move on to my lips. For my lips today, I'm going to be using the RLG Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in DeltaG and the Kenah Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in 07. I'm going to be using the RLG lipstick to line my lips and the Kenah Cosmetics to just put in the center.
Baby, you go be a desuwa, I go be your banky. If they try to best you out, oh my J, batty, yeah. Spread the money, yeah, for my lady. Spread the money, yeah, for my baby, yeah. Baby girl, you my music. Without you, I'm so sick. But I guess you don't know how it feels to be in love. So I start to puff like Puffy T. Since you don't wanna come with me I no one committing. At the same time don't wanna cause a sin, but yeah, you go there for me.
So this is pretty much the finished look. I hope you liked today's video and you liked this look that I was able to come up with. I hope you stay back and watch my other videos. I hope you subscribe so that you can come back. With that being said, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Ìgbà tó jáwó lọ́wọ́ bàbá ẹnìkan máa jó síbi tó wù ẹ́. Oríkèlè wà wá gbogbo. You go be a desuwa, I go be your banky. If they try to best you out, wọ́n máa jẹ́ ìgbà tí èyí.